Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be going over the Wallpaper Engine. It is available on the Steam store and it is $3.99. That is cheaper than the McDonald's meal. And trust me, when I say it's worth it, it's worth it. With that being said, let's go right into the video. This application supports different aspect ratios and native resolutions. It also supports different video formats for your wallpapers. Additionally, it also has support for Razer Chroma and Corsair iQ. And on the sites, I will be posting the minimum and recommended specifications as posted by Steam. Quick disclosure before we start the video, I did uninstall the program itself, but I will go ahead and install it back in my computer so you guys can follow along. So first thing is first, we want to go ahead and open Steam. So let's go ahead and do that. After Steam comes up, you want to type in Wallpaper Engine. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go with the first option. So before we get into the video itself, I do want to mention that I am running this application on Windows 10, but you can run it on older Windows versions. This application, however, is not supported by the macOS platform. So let's go ahead and download the application itself now. It is going to look a little bit different on your computer just because I already purchased the application and I've already installed it before in the past. So for now, I'm just going to click on Use Now so we can go ahead and download on my computer. So now it's going to ask you where you want to locate this install. I'm just going to leave it as is. And we're just going to wait till this is done.
So we want to do Wallpaper Engine right here, and we'll just give it some time for it to download.
Okay, and now that it's done, it should have made a shortcut on your desktop. So we want to go and exit Steam, and then click on the Wallpaper Engine icon over here, and we just wait for it to set up. So as you guys can see, I've already had this application prior to filming this video, so it did register my last settings that I had. So let's go ahead and open the application one more time. And it should look something similar to this. So we have different settings over here. We have the wallpaper per display. We have stretch single wallpaper. It just stretches a single wallpaper into multiple displays. And lastly, we have the clone single wallpaper. This one clones a wallpaper into different displays. So let's go ahead and go back to wallpaper per display. So let's go ahead and click on change wallpaper. And as you can see, I have quite a few wallpapers just since I had this prior to filming the video. However, we do have three options on the very top. So we have the installed, which of course includes everything that you've downloaded in the past. We have the Discover function and the Workshop function. So for the Discover tab, it's just going to show the top content creators. And the Workshop tab is going to be more specific to your tastes. So you can filter everything throughout categories. Just something to mention is that there is a lot of anime and pixel art styles. So if that's something that you like, there's plenty for you to choose from. So to set a wallpaper as a background, what you want to do first is look for something that you like. So let's just go with this for now. Then you want to click on the subscribe button over here. After you click on that, it's going to start a download. So we want to wait a little bit just for it to finish downloading. So after it's done downloading, it is going to give you a few options so you can manipulate the background. I don't typically do this just because they are high quality as they come. So we're just going to go ahead and click OK for now. And once you click OK, it should set this up as your new background. Additionally, you can also create your wallpapers. So let's go back to the application. You just want to go ahead and click out. And on the very bottom left corner, there should be a pop-up that says Wallpaper Editor. We just want to click here. And then it should take you to something like this. So now we want to create a wallpaper, so you click this setting over here, and then you just click on whatever you like. I'm just going to go ahead and go with this right now. It should be a nature background, and you can name it whatever you like and change the scheme color. I'm just going to leave it as is, and then click OK. And it should compile the format. So now that it brings you to this, in order to add an asset, you want to click on here, and then it brings you to this screen. For now, we just want to go and click here. And as you can see, there's also variations of the same asset, and we're just going to click OK for now. So what this does is it adds an effect to your wallpaper, and let's just say that that's something I want to keep. However, you can also change the settings if you like. So now that we added the animation, if you want to add this as your wallpaper, you just click on File, and you should click here where it says Apply Wallpaper. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been added to your background. Now, if you have a computer that has lower specifications, what you want to do is click on your arrow icon over here, and then you should see this over here. You can also drag it to the side if you like, or I'm just going to keep it here. You want to right click this and then click on Settings. So under the settings, we do have quite a bit of options that we can choose from. Now under the Performance tab, it is going to show us these options that we have so we can manipulate the wallpaper, so you don't have to compromise your computer's performance. That is in case if you have a lower end computer. Now moving on to the General tab, I don't specifically recommend switching anything around, but you guys do have the option just in case you want to do that. So that is all for this video that I have for you guys today. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. Till next time.